Ka Kutumba Suraksha Parishad KSP haka laitrik kalalingkon, kalapan pao ka Shaniah haka bor penyat district bat ka dorbash nong jo ka Mausan Ram, bat ong baka rajong ki haka bade bat ka krem Mawjymbuin kan batay yak lenti ka bakin shim nang ni syakman. Ya kanila penpau daw Presiden ka KSP Satya Ranjan Bora, hadin ba ulalit penyashim benta haka jingalang, balakhot da ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khas Hills ka kong RM Kurba, haka baladon lang kinongilam shnong nakadorbar shnong jong ka Mausan Ram. Haba penbena baka mukot duma halor ka krem Mawjymbuin kalakun, ubora ulaong. Ngatharay hadu kinikisngi, ka mukot duma Mawjymbuin kalakun, bat ngin sapet ka ka banjia bat kila penmi ki hukum bat nginget halor kata. Nginget ha ka jingalam jong ka bor penyai district jong ka Meghalaya, bat ngin apat pet ha kisngi banwan bat kata kan batay ya kalenti trekam jong ngi ka bahadin, ulaong habakren syakilat patay kubor. Ubora ulaong bala pentip sya ka kenhun jong KSP, ha ka ni ka jingalang bakam syamladan ka jingkhang da ka dorbar shnong Mausan Ram. Lasha ya baro, syamladan ka jingkhang, kino kila ban lechata ha baro kilai spa an ribusan sngi, nadu kupor kandai baje minstam, hadu kupor san baje janmiet, hindre ki haban penne ki katu ka ni kendon SOP. Kidon katu ka ni ki SOP, bat ngi pediang shisha ya kita ki SOPs ula pentip, kat ba ula benrap bala pentik naru ya ka kenhun, halor ki katu ka ni ki jimpen bet bakerpang.
Is allowed and everything is done. So there was no ban.
Okay.
There was no ban. Anyone can go there. 3 into 365 days from 9 to 5 p.m. onwards. So, but they have to maintain some SOPs, and of course there should be some SOPs are there, and we do accept those SOPs. And they also say that they will do some special arrangement for the Savan Mahina. So no ban on the worshipping there. Worshipping means there nobody can do like worshipping means what? We will be there, we sit there, we offer our prayer over there, and that will be done, and that can be done anytime, anywhere. 3 into 365 days, everyone accepted these things. And I think from till date Mawjymbuin case is over, and we will see what is going to happen. And they have assured us, and we have belief on that. We have belief on the leadership of Meghalaya. We have belief on the district administration, Meghalaya administration, and we will wait and watch what they will do in the next coming days, and that will define our next course of action. No threatening from Hindu groups. No one giving any threatening Hindu groups. This is some like people are misinterpreting the things. Yes, we said about the blockage of goods.
Okay.
If the ban is not withdrawn, but they said there is no ban.
So if there was a ban, then there would be some
There is no ban. So see, I cannot now say anything because the administration and the Darbar already confirmed that there is no ban. They will keep it open 365 days from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that will be okay. And we will watch. We have the faith on them. So let's see what they do. If then we will design our next course of action.